Hi there, it is time for Technology Tip Tuesday, and this is Deb Evans coming to you from Magnolia, Texas. I want to show you a site called Smore, SMORE.com. You see it up here. Once you get to the site, if you have not established a profile yet, you can easily do that via Facebook or Twitter, and then you can start establishing or developing a newsletter that will actually have a URL and will look like a website. I use it for newsletter purposes. One of the things I love using it for is events that I'm going to hold, like a tweet up or a conference or seminar where I don't really want a full-blown website, but I just want something on the web that I can share. Here's the link over here. So this is one that I did this morning for the Houston Franchise Business Network meeting. And I literally just finished it a couple hours ago, and already it's had 36 views. Now I've shared it via email, and of course, I can post it on Facebook and Twitter and Pinterest and Google Plus and embed it to a web page or my blog post. But it gives you, or it gave me, lots of options here. I could give some general information about the event. Of course, I have the where and the when and the time, as well as an address. So the address will populate over here, and then the user can click directions, and they can get directions to where I'm going to hold this. It gives you lots of options to add logos and pictures, which you see here. I love this. Peanut Palette is actually going to be a sponsor of this event. And then the agenda, which is going to be a very short agenda because it's just a lunch meeting. And then these are the panel speakers. It'll be Liz Anderson, myself, and Shelley Roth. And then an RSVP area. So let me show you how I established this, and I actually did this flyer. Again, it's really easy. So you just click New Flyer, and you're going to tell Smore, do you want to do a page for an event, for a business, a service, or for sale, or news bulletin. Let's just, for ease, let's just do an event. Now, if you've created your event on Facebook or Eventbrite, you can just populate the information here to Smore. But let's start a new flyer. So what I really like about this is that it walks you through each piece of the flyer. So you obviously need a title, and you can have a subtitle, but let's say I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to skip that. I don't know what I'm going to call this. And then here's your next area of information. And again, you can add the picture. So let's say I really don't need this area, so I want to edit that, and I'm just going to remove that. And you can see that the information just moves up. And it's a template. It's just for you, some guidelines. You can see this is where I had put my agenda and my pictures and then my RSVP. So if I want to now start from scratch, I click edit, put the information here. When I add the location, it will populate and give me the directions, and you have an area there, and you click done when you're done, when you're all completed with that. And then you just go through the same thing here for each section. And again, let's say this is the section I don't want. I just exit out and I remove it, and it makes it a lot smaller. And you've got options here to change the background, the colors, the designs. You can see colors are changing. So I don't want to make you dizzy. Just leave it there. You can change the fonts. You can change the font. So there's lots of flexibility here. The one thing I don't want you to forget is make sure that you add the geotag. Now, I am in Magnolia, Texas, and it's picked that up, but the event that I scheduled this morning is going to be in Houston. So I changed that, and I added Houston, Texas here, and then I just clicked done, and it will populate. Great for SEO. So have fun with Smore. Please share your Smore design with me on my Facebook page at facebook.com, Deb Evans Consulting. Thank you.